Hi, welcome to Musicians Edition Music Theory. Throughout our time so far, we really have learned a lot. I would like to take this time just to review everything we've gone over. So I'm going to treat this like a little trivia game. I'm going to ask you questions and I want you to answer at home, and then I will give the answer. All right, are you ready? Let's hit it. All right, let's start, shall we?
What are these 5 lines and what do they represent? This is the staff, and it represents the pitches of the note. What is this thing called? This is the treble clef. What kind of instruments use the treble clef? Instruments that use higher pitches. What about this clef? This is the bass clef. What kind of instruments use the bass clef? This would be the lower sounding instruments, like the cello. All right, let's go over some notes. What note is this? A. What is this note? G. How about this note? E. How about this note? D. What is this thing called? This is the time signature. What does the top number mean? How many beats are in the measure? What does the bottom number mean? It means the quarter note is the one that gets the beat. How many beats does this get? 4 beats. How about this one? 2 beats. How about this? 1 beat. What does common time mean? It's the time signature of 4/4. What is the difference between a tie and a slur? The tie remains on the same note. The slur goes on different notes. What does forte mean? Loud. How about piano? Soft. What is this? Mezzo forte. What does largo mean? Very slow. What is allegro? Quickly and cheerfully. What does accelerando mean? To gradually get faster. What is a fermata? To hold out the note until the director cuts you off. What is this? This is a repeat. Where does it take you to? The beginning. What is this? An eighth note. How do you count it? 1 and. Which scale sounds happy? The major scale. Which scale sounds sad? The minor scale. What is this symbol? That is a flat. What does it do? It lowers the pitch by a half step. What is this symbol? That is a sharp. And what does the sharp do to the note? It raises it a half step.
Wonderful job. If there's anything you are still stuck on or confused about, let me know in the comments and I'll make a video in detail of explaining further on it. Thanks for joining me, and until next time.